Hello viewers, in this video we will learn how to copy cells or cell contents in various ways. This is the very important tutorial. If you don't know these things, you may find difficulties at the time of editing the cells, copying the cells. Alright, so first thing is what? Right click. So let us copy the content. Okay, using the right click. So whenever we press right mouse button, the menu that displays is what? The shortcut menu or context menu. Okay, so shortcut menu is what? The easiest way of pronouncing, right? Suppose if I want to copy this text, okay, right click. So here east and here the same thing is appearing, is it not? So this will not make any difference. Right click, copy, okay, right click, paste. Got it. It has been copied. Okay. If I paste somewhere else, the same thing is coming, is it not? The same thing is inserted. In case, okay, next Control C and Control V. So, if we copy the formula, so here what is that? Marquee selection is there. Whatever I just now copied, it is showing in marquee. If you want to remove that marquee, press escape key. That's all. It will go off. Okay. So if you click a cell, Control C, click where you want to copy, Control V. Wherever you click Control V, as long as this marquee selection is there, you can paste. You see. See, you can see here paste button is still what? Darker. Yes or no? So if you press escape key, you see this marquee selection will be go off and this place button will turn into gray. Clear, right? So whenever you copy the cells, it will happen like this. Okay, so this is what about copying the cells using right click and control C. Okay, so far what we have did, we have copied the text but not the formula. So if we copy the formula, how it work, let us see. First of all, we'll start with right click. Right click on this formula and click what? Copy. Okay. If I right click in the next cell, if I paste it here, what is it? What it is showing? 0. Why? Because here no values are there. If I copy these three cells, copy, paste, we got the value. Previously these were empty, that's why no result was there. Okay, still it is showing the mark. If I paste it somewhere else, why it is 0 then? Yes or no? Why it is happening like this? Because you see in this cell, if you double click this cell, it will show what? H9 to I9. H9 to I9. This formula, it is taking this cell reference. Okay, okay, that's the thing. If you double click this cell, what it is doing? J9 1%. Escape, double click here, J9 minus K9. It is taking like this. Okay, so why like it is taking? You see here, D here D4 to E4, here H9 to I9. So wherever you paste it, it will take the adjacent cells. Okay, if you copy here, it will take as it is. You will get the same formula because if you double click here, it is taking its adjacent cells. When you paste it here, it will take these two cells. If you paste it here, it will take these two cells, adjacent cells. So before copying the cells, means what? Before copying the formulas, be sure. Suppose you want this data but not the formulas. Okay, here when you copied it, right selection, right click, copy, paste. Okay, you want the values but not the formula. Then what should you do? When you copy it, after copying it, what should you do? You just click, right click here, 1 2 3. Okay, if you click this, means what? Values. Then you will get the values. Here no formulas will be there, you see. Is it clear? In this way, if you want to copy the formula, you have to use a different technique. If you want to copy the content, okay, means what? Result, then you have to use the values. Okay, so do remember, otherwise you may get wrong results. All right, so as of now, what I will do, I will remove all these things. So how to remove? I want to remove all these things. So make the selection, just right click on the selection and click what? Clear contents, but borders still it is there. So undo, Control Z. Then what I will do, go to clear command, clear drop down list. Okay, on home tab, editing group, here clear all, everything will be washed away. Clear? Okay. So in this way, what can we do? We can copy the formulas or we can copy the cell content. Clear? Right. In the same way, what can we do? We can use the copy command also. Control C and Control V. So make the selection, Control C, click where you want, go to paste special, or you can, what is the keyboard shortcut? Then what will you use? Okay, Control Alt V. Okay, press Control Alt V, down arrow key. Okay, select values and press Enter key. In this way, you can insert the values. Okay, with the help of mouse, what can we do? Right click, select the values button. With the keyboard, press Ctrl C, Ctrl Alt V and use the values and press Enter key. Okay, undo. Okay, what next? Formula bar. Suppose escape key. Now we don't want this selection. Escape. Now what do we want here? What is the formula? Let's suppose take this one. Okay, whatever the formula is there, I want to copy the formula. Okay, what I will do, in the name box I will make the selection, right click on it, copy it and cancel it, and wherever you want, double click, right click, paste. That's all, you got the same result. In case in case if you don't copy the formula and if you copy the cell, it will give a different result. Got it? 0. If you copy the cell, it will give a different result. If you copy the formula, it will give a different result. Okay, so have an understanding between these two. So what we have done, formula bar. Now we will copy the, we'll perform the same thing using double click. So here what I did, I clicked this cell and goes to the formula bar and made the selection previously in the previous example. Now what I will do, I will double click in the cell, I will make the selection, right click, copy. Okay, cancel or press escape key. Now paste. Is it clear? So it is same. Either you copy from the formula bar or if you copy from the cell content. Okay, so double click. So unless you are in the edit mode, okay, you cannot copy the content. Okay, so in this way. Next, what? Paste special. This is a very important thing. Just now we had a example in the case of values. Okay, suppose I want these things. Okay, I want these thing here. If I select it and if I copy it, if I paste it here, what will happen? All zeros. Okay, undo. So what should I do? I will right click here and I will use what? Values. Will it come or not? Very simple. Okay, undo. Or else, what can you do here? Paste special is there. Just right click and paste special. Or else, go to the home tab, clipboard group, paste a triangle button. Here you see number of options are there. Okay, and choose the one that you want. So we will have a special video on pay special. Okay, in the forthcoming videos we will learn, okay, about pay special and all these options. So as of now, what we will do? Values. Here, right. Next, what? Fill handle. Suppose here you see whatever the formulas here in this cell formula is there, here in this formula, and here in this formula. If you want to fill this formula to the remaining rows, what will you do? Just press escape key first of all so that we can remove it. Make the selection. Go to fill handle. Just drag. If you want up to here only, it's okay. If you want all, just double click. That's all. Here value is there. That's why it stopped there. Okay. Is it clear? So in this way, either you can drag or double click. In this way, what can you do? You can copy that formula. You see, select it, fill it. Okay. So here, the sum of these three values is what? Sorry. Sum of these two values is what? 85. Got it? These two values, 48. Got it? That's what. So instead of what can we do? Typing each formula, right? What can we do? We can select the cells and we can fill it. Alternately, Control C, select this formula, copy it, and select the cells where you want to copy and press either Control V or right click paste. It also gives the same result. So which will be easy? Double click. The fill handle is very easy than Control C and Control V. Right. So it depends upon the situation. Okay, whether you will use fill handle or Control V. All right. Okay. So what next? Fill handle is done. Next is what? Autofill options. Okay. So here, escape key. So whenever you fill, it will show you the autofill option. So what do you want to do with this? Do you want to copy the cells or fill formatting only or fill without formatting? So whichever the option you want, you can select it. Okay, fill without formatting. You see, without any formatting, it has been filled. Copy cells. Here no values are there. Okay, that's why it did not get. See, only formatting has been filled, but not the result. Okay, in case fill without formatting like this. Okay, in this way. What next? Okay, now you practice these things. So whatever the videos I'm creating, all that are very important. All these are what? Basics to advanced. Okay, right. Thank you. See you in the next video.